Electricity is invisible, but the consequences are far from it. In just 3 seconds, a minor fault can turn into a life-threatening disaster. When safety is on the line, every millisecond counts.
For years, the industry had to choose. Either had a fast, basic tester or an expensive laboratory in a box. We wanted to break that compromise. We built a bridge between high-end performance and everyday affordability.
This product represents that bridge. All new Metrel MI3136 EurotestCOMBO XC, the new standard in price to performance. It's not just about doing the job, it's about doing it faster than ever. With our advanced auto tests, complex measurements that used to take minutes now happen in seconds. One press, one result. From standard RCD household circuits to commercial buildings, it covers everything. Built-in magnet for the grit of the job site. Connector port or USB-C fast charging. Your choice. Powered by a built-in lithium-ion battery that outlasts your longest shift. Speed isn't just about the measurement.
It's about the data.
Sync instantly with the Metrel cloud. Manage your projects in the office, execute them on-site, and generate professional reports before you even leave the building.
We didn't just build another tester. We built a tool that respects your time and user safety.
Metrel MI3136, the speed of safety.